Can Bitcoin do something it hasn't done since 2016?
When Lambo, I'm such a degen.
Welcome to Degenny from the blockchain, where we defy logic. And in this episode, I want to show you something that we haven't seen since 2016 with Bitcoin. And let's get right to it. It's the September and October, both positive months happening in the same year. That's only happened twice, and the last time it happened was 2016. So let's go to coinglass.com/today and see the Bitcoin monthly returns. And what we have is, we obviously know that we turned September around for the first time since, again, 2016. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straight years of a negative September for Bitcoin until we finally closed September in the positive. Now, does that mean that we're going to have an Uptober or a Pumptober that everybody's talking about? With the 5% increase so far in the month, is that going to remain? So if we look back at 2016, this is the last time we had both positive Septembers and Octobers in the same year. Okay, and then it happened the year before that in 2015 as well. And those are the only two times we've had a positive September and a positive October. So I know that we're loving that Bitcoin is above 28,000 right now, and we finally seem like we're breaking out of some sleepy periods with Bitcoin. You know, could we be breaking 30K soon? It's possible, of course, but just remember, look at this chart. Just because we have turned September around for the first time in 6 years does not necessarily mean that we're going to have that Uptober everybody's talking about. Because yes, we have history of big Octobers, but look when this was. This nearly 40% pump in 2021 and 27% pump in 2020, these were the bull run. This was the bull run. You could say that 2020, this was the start of the 2021 bull run. And of course, this was the peak of the 2021 bull run. We're nowhere near that right now. We're in the equivalent stage of 2019, right? 2023 in the 4-year cycle theory. So, you know, that showed a big negative September and then, you know, a good positive October. But we haven't seen what we're seeing right now, a positive September and a positive October, since 2016. So just keep that in mind, that this is so unpredictable. You can follow theories like we all do, the 4-year cycle theory. But, you know, even where we are in this cycle, we shouldn't expect too much. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if we just are between 28 and 30,000 in October this entire year, or this entire month. And, you know, we don't go more than 5 or 6 or 7% up in October, or again, just go back to the negative. You always have to be ready for both scenarios. That's what everybody always tells you in Crypto YouTube and Crypto X. Be ready for the bullish and the bearish narrative. I saw this. This is my initial thought when I see this chart of Bitcoin, that we haven't seen a positive September and a positive October combined in the same year since 2016. And again, that only happened twice in its history at all, 2015 and 2016. And a lot of these negative Septembers led to positive Octobers, right? Negative, positive, negative, positive, all the way back down to, 2016. So we've had, from 2017 on, negative Septembers and positive Octobers, except for 2018. So the last 4 September-October combinations have been negative and then a positive October. So we're breaking that trend right now. So you have to be ready for us not to see a positive October. Again, when you zoom way out, it doesn't really matter if you're accumulating. You know it's ultimately going to go up. We've just been in an uptrend since 2009, right? So keep that in mind. But if you're looking at these monthly charts, you know, you're looking at, you know, sentiment in the market, Uptober might not happen, because if we see a positive September, the last time we've seen a positive October was 2016. But we could be breaking these trends, right? We could be creating a new whole thing here with Bitcoin moving forward, as spot Bitcoin ETFs are on the horizon, as we all know. So I just wanted to share my thoughts when I see this chart. and to always, have that bullish and bearish sentiment in your head and have a plan for both, or just kind of zoom out and have a number in mind way in the future. Whatever it is, it's awesome to look at these charts because we get to see what's happened in history and try to make educated decisions on what might happen currently and in the near future and so on. So it's awesome to look at these charts, and always remember to do your own research because this is not financial advice. It's just my blockchain reaction. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments below on if you think we're going to break the trend from dating all the way back to 2016 and have a positive September and a positive October in the same year. Again, this is not financial advice. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching to the very end. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, drop a comment, and share the video. Follow me on X at Degenny Crypto, and please enjoy the next episode or my suggestion to the left.